7 Wonders of Karnataka. 1. Hyabenical Dolmens. 2. Hampi. 3. Gol Gumbaz. 4. Gomteshwara Statue. 5. Mysore Palace. 6. Jog Falls. 7. Netrani Island. Hyabenical Dolmens. A prehistoric site in Koppal's Gangavati Taluk with around 400 funerary monuments dating back to 800 BC and 200 BC. Hyabenical Dolmens is a megalithic site in the state of Karnataka, India. It is among the few megalithic sites in India that can be dated to the 800 BCE to 200 BCE period. The site is located in the Koppal district, some 10 kilometers west of the town of Gangavati and some 35 kilometers from Hospet city. It contains roughly 400 megalithic funerary monuments that have been dated to the transition period between the Neolithic period and the Iron Age. Known locally, in the Kannada language, as Eluguddagalu, or the Seven Hills, their specific name is Maurya Gudda, or the Hill of the Mauryas. Hampi. Hampi or Hamp, Kannada, HMP, also referred to as the group of monuments at Hampi, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Hampi city, Ballari district, now Vijayanagara district, east central Karnataka, India. Hampi predates the Vijayanagara Empire. It is mentioned in the Ramayana and the Puranas of Hinduism as Pampa Devi Tirath Kshetra. Hampi continues as a religious center, with the Virupaksha temple, an active Adi Shankara linked monastery and various monuments belonging to the old city. Hampi was the capital of the Vijayanagara Empire from 1336 to 1565, as Vijayanagara, when it was abandoned. It was a fortified city. Chronicles left by Persian and European travelers, particularly the Portuguese, say that Hampi was a prosperous, wealthy and grand city near the Tungabhadra river, with numerous temples, farms and trading markets. By 1500 CE. Gol Gumbaz. A mausoleum in Bijapur, now Vijaypura, with the second largest dome in the world that was built in the 17th century by Sultan Muhammad Adil Shah. Gol Gumbad is a 17th century mausoleum located in Bijapur, a city in Karnataka, India. It houses the remains of Muhammad Adil Shah, the 7th Sultan of the Adil Shahi dynasty, and some of his relatives. Begun in the mid-17th century, the structure never reached completion. The mausoleum is notable for its scale and exceptionally large dome. The structure is an important example of Adil Shahi architecture. The building is one of those put by UNESCO on its tentative list to become a World Heritage Site in 2014, under the name Monuments and Forts of the Deccan Sultanate. Gomteshwara Statue. An 18 meters high statue of Lord Gomteshwara in the village of Shravanabelagola in Hassan district that was built in the 10th century. Monolithic statue on Vindhyagiri Hill in the town of Shravanabelagola in the Indian state of Karnataka. Carved of a single block of granite, it is one of the tallest monolithic statues in the ancient world. The Gommateshwara statue is dedicated to the Jain figure Bahubali and symbolizes the Jain precepts of peace, non-violence, sacrifice of worldly affairs, and simple living. The construction of the statue was commissioned by the Ganga dynasty minister and commander Chavundaraya. Neighboring areas have Jain temples known as Bashtis and several images of the Tirthankaras. The other is Chandragiri, which is also a seat of several ancient Jain centers, much older than the Gommateshwara statue. Chandragiri is dedicated to the Jain figure Bharat, the brother of Bahubali and the son of the first Tirthankara Rishabhnath. Mysore Palace. The most visited palace in India dates back to the 19th and 20th centuries. Mysore Palace, also known as Ambavilas Palace, is a historical palace and a royal residence. It is located in Mysore, Karnataka, India. It used to be the official residence of the Wadiyar dynasty and the seat of the Kingdom of Mysore. The palace is in the center of Mysore and faces the Chamundi Hills eastward. Mysore is commonly described as the city of the palaces, and there are 7 palaces including this one. However, the Mysore Palace refers specifically to the one within the new fort. The land on which the palace now stands was originally known as Mysuru, literally, citadel. The first palace inside the old fort was built in the 14th century and was set ablaze and reconstructed multiple times. Jog Falls, an 830-foot waterfall in the Shimoga district. Jog Falls is a waterfall on the Shravati River located in Shidapur Taluk of Uttara Kannada district and its viewpoint in Kargal town of Shimoga district, Karnataka, India. It is the second highest plunge waterfall in India. It is a segmented waterfall that depends on rain and season to become a plunge waterfall. The falls are major attractions for tourists and is ranked 36th in the list of free-falling waterfalls, 490th in the world by list of waterfalls by total height, and 128th in the list of single-drop waterfalls in the world by the Waterfall Database. Netrani Island, a heart-shaped island on the Arabian Sea off Murudeshwar in Uttara Kannada district that symbolizes love. Netrani, historically known as Bajrangi Island, Pigeon Island, and also Heart-Shaped Island, is a small island in India located in the Arabian Sea. It is the only heart island that is present in India. It is off the coast of Karnataka, situated approximately 10 nautical miles, 19 kilometers, from the temple town of Murudeshwara in Bhatkal Taluka. The island can be seen from the mainland over 15 kilometers, 9.3 miles, away. Views above give this island the appearance of being heart-shaped. Its animal inhabitants include wild goats and a lot of pigeons. It has scuba diving and a lot of different water sports facilities available to have fun and is easily accessible from Bhatkal, Mangalore, Goa, Mumbai, or Bangalore. The famous Hindu temple Jai Bajrangbali Temple is located here.